Do you practice the law of attraction? Or have you heard of it, but do not know how it works? If you are interested to know more about the law of attraction and how to use it more effectively, please keep on watching. Because in this video, I am going to share with you more about the law of attraction and how to use it to attract positive things into your life, manifest anything that you want, and make your dream happen. Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode. If you are new to my channel, my name is Trinh. I am a business and life strategist. I specialize in mental health, mindful living, and self-mastery. I create content weekly on this channel around those topics to help you grow while building a life that brings you happiness, purpose, and fulfillment. If you enjoy my content, do consider subscribing and click on that bell notification so you'll be notified when a new content is out every Sunday and Wednesday. I have heard about the law of attractions more than 10 years ago, but I didn't realize that I was practicing it before I knew it. I achieved great things and turned my wishes into reality by practicing affirmative, positive thoughts, visualizations, and I also acted as if whatever I was wishing for were coming to me by affirming it with others. So almost 20 years ago, one of my big dreams was to study overseas. And at that point of time, it was almost impossible due to various reasons. And one of the reasons was my protective mom did not want me to stay away all by myself. However, I did not give up. I refused to go to the university in Vietnam. I was telling everyone that I would be going to study in Singapore. I visualized it every day. And after a year, I finally packed my bag and flew to Singapore. And everything else became history. So this is just one of the amazing stories I have with the law of attraction. However, I did not know how it really works until I read the book a few months back. So I started practicing whatever that I have learned from the book. And I was amazed of how great things turned around in such a short time. And that's why I would love to share with you about this secret. So what is the law of attraction? In simple explanation, the law of attraction suggests that like attracts like, and whatever we think will come true. So if we want to attract positive things in our life, we need to have positive thoughts. Our thoughts are a powerful communicator with the universe. The universe is not biased, so it cannot differentiate what we want and what we don't want. So whatever we think will be sent to the universe and we manifest them into our life. So if you're wondering, sometime when you don't want something to happen, it actually happens to you. For example, if you have an important meeting and you do not want to be late, and all you focus on was how being late ruined your opportunity, and the next thing you know, something happens and you are late for the meeting. However, the good news is that it takes time for our thoughts to turn into reality. So only if we think negative things for a long period of time, it will come true. And another good news is that the positive thoughts are hundreds of times more powerful than the negative ones. So while we cannot eliminate negative thoughts completely, what we can do is that we can replace them with positive thoughts to attract positive things in our life. So you may ask, how to generate more positive thoughts? And the answer is practicing gratitude. But today, I'm not going to share with you about practicing gratitude, but I am going to share with you the 3 simple steps that you can use to practice the law of attraction more effectively. These 3 steps have been shared in the secret book, and I have been practicing it for the past few months and seen amazing results. So I hope that you will too. If you're interested to know more, you can purchase the book. Otherwise, keep on watching because I'm going to share whatever I have learned in the book in this video. So let's dive into it. Step number 1, ask. The first step is to ask the universe to send you what you want. sit down and write on a piece of paper the target date when you want what you wish for to happen, and write it in the present tense. You always start by writing this phrase: I am so happy and grateful now that, and you can fill in the blank for whatever that you wish to happen. So this is an example of how you would write. This is an important step to manifest anything that you want. Make it a habit to always ask. Please take note that you have to be very clear and specific about what you want, such as the timeline, the target dates, the quality, the quantity, and the exact result that you want to see. If you are not clear about what you want, you will send a mixed signals to the universe and you will receive mixed results. And you only need to ask the universe once. And once you are done writing, fold this piece of paper to put in a transparent jars or bottle and place it anywhere that you can see it every day. Step number 2, believe. You need to have faith and believe that whatever you wish for are already yours the moment you ask the universe. It's like an online shopping. The moment you order and paid, you know that it is already yours and it's on the way to you. So this step works the same. The results do take time, but you need to speak, act, and think as if you are receiving them now. Be aware of your thoughts and intentions throughout this process, because sometimes when you do not see the results fast enough, you may get frustrated and start doubting. And when you are doubtful, you will disrupt the frequency, which will block the results from coming to you. Step number 3, received. You need to practice feeling as how you will feel when you already receive what you asked for. It is important to feel good, to be in that frequency of receiving what you want. The fastest way is to receive and feel good is to practice affirmations by saying it out loud. You can say like, I am receiving it now. I am receiving all the good things in my life. I am receiving, and whatever you want, now. And then this will make you feel as if you already received it. You may just wake up one day and whatever that you have asked for are already there. Or you suddenly have all the amazing ideas that will lead you to what you have asked for. And actions sometimes are required. However, if you are doing it in line with whatever that the universe is bringing to you, you will feel so alive. Time will stop and you can do it all day long. I personally feel it this way, and I can vouch how amazing the law of attraction is. And lastly, just a gentle reminder, our future and life are created by our thoughts. Whatever that we think about and focus on will appear in our life. So those are the 3 simple step process that you can use to practice the law of attraction. I hope you will try it out and share with me your amazing results. Or you can practice this right now by typing it out in the comment section below using step 1 if you have anything that you would like to manifest at this moment. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all and I'll see you in the next episode.